for 6 weeks. Team Nuko AFCON. And they've not been a season but second round continuous because you break move for 6 weeks. And you come back, you play 7 games, and already you are complaining about fatigue. Okulun Sambabiu. On Sambabiu. Oh. I don't think it's an excuse. I don't think so.
But he trains with the boys, so if there's fatigue.
Fatigue after 7 games. We've played 4 games in the Premier League. 1 international friendly against ASEC. 1 cup game against Nswatremai. Making it 7. Today will be the 8th game. You're already complaining about fatigue. Okulum Rabiu.
Well, let's see. So there on the screen says Aduana warming up, and the Porcupine Warriors also took turns to warm up there. The man in your short, that is Rich Molante. But Albert, second round here, Rich Molante, the fans are complaining that the fire that he was playing with in the first round, I say Anuajo Kakra in the second round.
You know, I want to agree that because of his contractual issues, maybe that's why, I mean, the tempo has come down. But we have to agree that you don't expect a player to be on top of his game, I mean, for all the games. And, you know, the opponent will not allow him to be or to play the way he wants to play. And sometimes, I believe it's the changes in the team. Because some players are very good in, I mean, playing compatibly with other players, and always they change his playing partner. Tomorrow is Babaya. The next day is Jamina. Another day is another player. So they keep changing the midfield pattern for Richmond Lamptey. And you know these things sometimes have I mean tactical effect on the players. So if they haven't seen the Richmond Lamptey they saw in the first round, I think it's early days yet. We have played. This is the 4th game.
Yeah.
We have about 13 or so games to play. So they should just relax. I see a lot of talent in him, and I believe with time he will exhibit everything.
2 most important players for Kotoko. It's Richmond Lamptey and Steve Mukwala.
They are the most important players.
2 most important players.
For Master Asante Kotoko.
And where Kotoko struggles.
But why not Blay?
Blay, one a substitute Blay. Opportunities na coach's name for maybe. There is a player in the Kotoko team, Yaya Dawuni. I think it's a quality centre house than most of these centre houses who are playing. But opportunity, a bar, how you grab it is the most important thing.